Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we completed operators, and in this video, we will talk about like how we can organize our code. We will talk about modules and packages, and let us start with module. In Python, module is simply a file. When we create a file and then add some Python code, that's the module actually. So let us see with example like how we can create module and how we can use them. Okay. So let us go to our project. Let us say we have this particular uh, directory. Actually, that's package. We will see like what are the packages and sub packages in next video. But in this video, let us say that in this folder, let us say folder, we want to create a Python file that we will add some code there. So we will simply right click on this and simply say new and simply say Python file and simply say I want to create my module. Okay. Now it will create a new module. We don't want to add it in a Git. So let us add some Python code. Let us say we have string is equal to hello Python, and let us say numbers is equal to some numbers 1 2 3 4, and let us define a function. Let us say function is greetings, and let us use the old function like we add a name here and simply say greet is equal to good morning. So this we are using as the default argument. Okay, and simply return format string which says hello name and simply say greet. Okay, let's simply test it in this code. So let us say return greeting is equal to no, this return greeting is equal to greeting. Let us say Raj not tail. Okay, and now let us print simply the return greeting. Let us run and see it. So it will print like hello Rajnath Patel, good morning. Okay, do you see? Okay, so this particular file like my module.py is a module. So a module is like a Python file where we actually organize our similar kind of code. So you organize your code such a way like a module contains same code for a single functionality. Okay, so we will see like when we create a project. So going further, we will create like a book library for practice, and there we will see all different functionality that we will learn in this series of videos. So let us try to import it in our main file in this. So let us say we want to import module. So simply use import and say my module. Okay, so it will simply import it. Now let us say we want to uh, access my module dot string. That's it. You see, accessing the attributes of the module is really simple. But now you see like I am not saying that print this, but it is still printing. So that's where this main code block comes into picture. So what we need to do is like we want to create a main code block which is simply like if. So if you type main, it will simply suggest you. Simply you can say enter and it will add it. So this is like main code block. So this code block will run only if you are running this module directly. So for example, if I will run this, it will run this. If we are importing it somewhere else, it means we are not running this module as a main module, then it won't execute this part of code. Okay, so it's simple like when you create module and you need to test before going ahead or using it in other modules, you simply put the code for testing in this main code block. Okay, so let us now run it. Now it won't print this part. So you see, now it didn't print the other code that was there in this module. Okay, so now let us look at that what other ways we can import this module or function. So like we actually imported the whole module using this import. Now if I want to simply import only this string, we can do that as well. So we will use from my module import string. Now you don't need to add this, simply you can directly, you don't need to even do this as well. What you said, from my module import string. Now string is directly imported here. Okay, so now if you run it, it will simply print string directly. Okay, so what in this case what you did, print module my module dot string. Okay, so here you need to add like my module dot string and so on, but in this import you don't need to do that. You can simply call this here. Also you can import functions like simply you can say from my module import greetings. Now we can simply call like return value is equal to greetings and simply say the name like Raj Kumar. Okay, now let us print this, print return value. So let us run and see. You see, hello Raj Kumar, good morning. So it is like you can import variables or attributes of that particular module. You can import functions of that particular module as well. Also, you can even like rename these functions here. So you can simply say as this, simply let us copy this and do it again. So instead of saying like greetings, I will say simply greetings as greet. Now the function name is changed from greetings to greet. So it is like alternative name. So you are saying import greetings as greet. So now the name is greet instead of greetings. This is called alt names. Instead of calling greetings, now you will call greet. So it will print the same thing that we have printed earlier. Okay, you see it? Okay, so I think that should be clear, like in Python what is module and how you can use them. In the next video we'll talk about like how we can organize multiple modules using packages and sub packages. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye for now, take care, see you in the next.